Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
Say a word of prayer or two as you are dropping your candle. Members of the Musa family, say a word of prayer, say a word of prayer or two. Thank you. A word of prayer for the departed. A word of prayer for the departed as you stand your candles and take your seat. God bless you. Thank you. TGLA members, please come take your position at the front. Ambassador Olumide is right here before the stand. Members of the Musa family, please take your place. Members of the Aisha Bimbola Unity Forum, please take your seat. I see you. Members of the Musa family, just stay where the president of TGLA is standing, right here where you sat when we were waiting for the procession.